Timmy's house. We're gonna be going to Ikea today. Dylan's sitting over here and Louie's over here. Hey Louie, you wanna say hi? Louie. Say hi. Say hi to the camera, Louie. Say hi to the camera. Louie says hi. Louie says hi. We're walking into Ikea. Say hi, Timmy.
What'd you say?
Say hi.
Oh, hi.
This little snack kitchen thing. That's their menu.
Cafeteria.
Yeah.
Hi.
So we got us some snacks, got us some coffee, and I got some ooey gooey chocolate cake. And you want to tell them what you got, Timmy?
Got almond cake.
You got almond cake. Is it good?
Yeah.
And we got some coffee too. We got our coffee for free because we use the Ikea Rewards family thing. So that's pretty cool.
Also, something weird about this place. Everything here is something you can buy at the store. The furniture we're sitting on, in the cafeteria, the tables that we have here, the plates, the coffee mugs, the spoons.
But they do have some pretty cool furniture if you don't mind building it yourself.
That's what makes it fun, right?
Right. And now we're done with eating our snacks and we're looking at some Christmas stuff here at Ikea. Over here, a nice little Christmas area. And here we have the kitchen of tomorrow, today. Actually, this is probably just the kitchen of today, but not even my kitchen, just all of their cool kitchen stuff. They have a whole little room set up here. It's cool because you get to see like all the displays and be like, see how it would look in your kitchen. You want to say anything to me?
Yeah, it's really creepy here. It's like walking through someone's house without knocking.
Could be mine. Seen this? I just want to reiterate what Timmy was saying about how it's like walking through somebody's house. Like, if you open this dresser, like, there's literally like clothes in there. They're not folded, but like, yeah. So here's another setup. It's a living room. Has a sign here. It says, "It's raining cats and dogs." You could just swipe the cats and dogs and put men. Timmy's just making himself at home on Ikea furniture. Is it comfy?
It's better than my pre-furnished apartment.
And we got Tango and all and stuff. I want to know. Like, what do you gotta do to become, like, what job title is it that is the interior decorator for these places, these rooms for Ikea, is what I want to know. If you know, comment below. For one day, when he's not living in an apartment.
How cool is this? Look at this, Mary.
Yeah.
Look at this. Look at this.
Yeah. That would have
$1,100.
That would have came in handy on Thanksgiving.
Yeah, $1,100.
Is that good for oven?
I've never bought an oven, but I know
Look
it's
at
really
those.
expensive.
Look at the cabinets. Those are pretty.
Yeah.
And the marble here.
Yeah.
Right here we have a wall full of couches. And other couches you can sit on. Probably don't try sitting on the ones on the wall though. So Timmy actually ended up deciding on this one because it's on sale. Hey Timmy, want to tell the people at home what you're looking for today?
Shelves and storage for my clusterfuck of an apartment.
Yeah, that.
Yep.
Maybe tables. Comment in the comments if you want to. Timmy is thinking about doing some segments where he builds like furniture and stuff on my channel. Like if you guys would like to see Timmy, who's walking away right now, build furniture on my YouTube channel, let us know in the comments.
You want to see me cuss a lot because having to put together all these things from the hieroglyphs they give you, that they call instructions, like and comment.
But they turn out nice.
Yeah.
Here we have some more shelving and stuff, and up there, what looks like, kind of like a Jaws poster, but, you know, no copyright infringement intended. Here we are at the bookcase, and this is actually what I have in my house, and Timmy's probably going to get this today, and we'll probably have a video where he puts it together. We already had to put mine together a few days ago, but we didn't record that. Probably would have been funny though. He's looking at it. We have the laundry area of tomorrow. Maybe, if you want to buy the furniture. And Timmy's looking at something. Hey, you gonna tell people what you're looking at?
Hangers.
This is for Louie's dog treats.
Yeah? So a lot of dog treats.
Louie would eat them all.
I'll probably need something more that size.
Well, you give him that size.
Yeah.
Well, this hanger thing for your laundry stuff. And looking at tables. What's that? It's a table.
Hello.
Let me just say more stuff to people.
What do you want to say?
I don't know. You're on camera.
Okay. Hello, YouTube world. My sister's harassing me right now.
My brother's a liar. A dirty, dirty liar.
He's cutting it out. He's beating me between takes. Send help.
He's lying. Don't believe a word he says. Hit record. Guys, I just seen the sign and Timmy's taking a nap. But it says that they will deliver this bed, apparently, to your home or workplace for $49. Because, you know, some people like napping on the job or whatever. And, you know, Ikea, they don't judge. Timmy judges, but Ikea won't.
Baby shark.
Don't sing that. Remember Copa?
Oh yeah, copyright infringement.
No, I was saying Copa because I think it's a kid's video. And it's not a kid's video. It's an Ikea video. If you're listening, YouTube, this is an Ikea video. Downstairs right now looking at glassware and other things. We've got a cart now. Timmy's getting some glasses for his house. I actually have these type of glasses at my house. That's why Timmy's like, I like those.
Yep.
Where you gotta write down everything and come in, pick it up.
Fun fact, this was also the warehouse from the end of Indiana Jones.
He's lying.
It looks like it.
So, Timmy just went to go pull the car around, and we're done shopping at Ikea. It's been a very long trip. Like, every time we come to Ikea, we're here for like a couple hours, probably. We walk around the upstairs and I have to go find stuff downstairs and everything. But yeah. So that was Ikea. Have you guys ever been to Ikea before? Comment below and let me know what you think of Ikea. This is the first time you've seen an Ikea. Or if you guys have been to Ikea or you frequent Ikea shoppers. We love Ikea. We just found out about Ikea when I got my new apartment and got some furniture there and stuff. And this is like my third time to Ikea in the past few months. My first time was like back in October, I think. But yeah, it's a pretty cool place. We'd come a lot more if it was like closer, but it's like an hour away. Because the one near me is an hour away to Columbus, and then Timmy's like an hour away to Oxford, and then it's another hour or 30 minutes, 40 minutes to get to Westchester, which is the one that we were shopping at today, is the Westchester Ikea. So yeah. Hi guys. So as you can tell, I don't know like how the videos are of what I have recorded and what I'm adding on to it. So my hair might be a different color than some of the videos. It's pretty wet right now, but it's red and green for the holidays. So yeah, that's pretty cool. What I have here for you guys is a 12 days of Christmas advent calendar, the 12 pods of Christmas from McCafe. So basically each day of the 12 days of Vlogmas, I am going to be opening one of these, starting with number 1 today. And they're actually, some of these don't have the orders, but these actually are pretty good orders. Also, I think I might have missed a day or two here or there before like uploading these. So if that's the case when these go up and it's not like right with the dates, there's a chance I might post 2 videos, or you might be seeing some of these videos after the holiday. We will see how it goes. But anyway, so this first door has a little candy cane and a little Christmas tree cup. Also, it says on the side here, there's 6 different flavors and there's 2 of each of them. So there's a premium roast, a Colombian roast, a French roast, a chocolate mocha, a cinnamon mocha, and a breakfast blend of coffee. I thought there might have been some peppermint something in here, but I was wrong. But yeah. So anyway, let's see what we got for today. Not very good at opening these. And it is, if I can get it out of here, a premium roast. So it's that, and that is just a medium roast coffee. It says on here 100% Arabica coffee, smooth and balanced. Enjoy the McCafe experience at home with a rich aroma and delicious taste of our smooth and balanced coffee. So I think that's just like their regular coffee that they use every day. So yeah, what do you think of the coffee calendar? It's something I hadn't seen before, and I thought it was kind of neat and kind of different. So you'll be seeing that either before or after the videos each day. So yeah, what do you guys think of my hair? Yeah, I don't know. I don't really know to do an intro or an outro right now because I don't know where I'm going to put it in the video. But if you already watched the video, you know, go and subscribe and like the video and stuff. If you haven't watched the video, here's the video coming up. Alright, I will see you tomorrow. Bye.